herbivore. B for bear, strong mammal living in forests. C for cheetah, fastest land animal alive. D for deer, gentle herbivore with antlers. E for elephant, largest land animal. F for fox, clever wild canine mammal. G for giraffe, tallest animal with long neck. H for hippopotamus, large semi-aquatic herbivore. I for iguana, large tree-dwelling lizard. J for jaguar, powerful spotted jungle predator. K for kangaroo, Australian hopping marsupial. L for lion, king of the jungle. M for monkey, intelligent tree-climbing primate. N for narwhal, whale with long tusks. O for owl, nocturnal bird of prey. P for panda, bamboo-eating black and white bear. Q for quokka, friendly smiling Australian marsupial. R for rhinoceros, large horned herbivorous mammal. S for snake, bloodless slithering reptile. T for tiger, largest wild cat species. U for urial, wild mountain sheep species. V for vulture, scavenging bird-eating carrion. W for wolf, social wild canine hunter. X for xeris, African brown squirrel species. Y for yak, long-haired mountain bovine. Z for zebra, striped African grazing mammal.